Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you're trying to fix something went wrong, please try again error on Google Play Store. This video should help you. So it can block app downloads or updates. And here are some of the fixes. So firstly, of course, the most obvious reason that might cause this issue is the bad or unstable internet connection. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is enabled. Also, you can run a speed test to confirm, toggle airplane mode on and off, or switch between Wi-Fi and data. Also, guys, you can try restart your phone basically, and the app itself. So just reboot your phone to clear temporary glitches. And after that, you can also try and force stop Google Play. So you go to settings, apps, Google Play Store, and force stop. There's going to be like a button, like a cross button that you press and you stop the application. And after that, log back in and see if it helps. Also, in the same window where you've had to close the app, you can try clearing cache and data. So you just go to the settings, apps, Google Play Store, storage and cache, and clear cache. Repeat for Google Play services as well. The same steps just for Google services and clear the cache. Also, guys, you need to verify the date and time so that it's correct to the global time and it's not set manually on your phone. Ensure that it's correctly set. You just go to settings, system, date and time, and enable set time automatically. So that is basically synced through the internet. Also, you can go to settings, accounts, and select your Google account, and then try to tap on the sync account. If it fails, tap remove account and re-add it. If using multiple accounts, ensure the correct one is active in Google Play. After that, guys, you can also do something that could actually be very helpful. You can go ahead and uninstall updates for your Google Play application. So you can't reinstall Google Play because it's a native system application in your phone. So you can only uninstall the updates, but not the app itself. So uninstall the update, then open the App Store, the Google Play Store, and then update it to the latest version, and this could potentially fix your issues. And last resort, it's like the last resort of last resorts, is you can try and erase your entire phone if none of these steps worked. But before that, of course, make sure to back up all of your important data, of course, your videos, your photos, any files, documents, anything you have on your phone, back them up into your computer or upload them in the cloud. And after that, just factory reset your phone, and that probably will work this time. So that's your steps to fix this issue. Hopefully any of them, or maybe the very first one, will help. Who knows? Enjoy, guys. Press the like button on the video, subscribe. See you very soon.